Okay, hi friends, Pamela Shepherd with Pamela Shepherd Productions here. And I'm going to show you how to make some centers for flowers that you make. Different types of centers. You can, buy these already pre-done, at Michael's. And you can, like for instance, you can buy these at Michael's. This is normally like $7.99 or more. I just happened to get some of these on sale. These brown ones like this, I think, are $7.99. They had all these on sale for a couple days for $3 each. So anyhow, but what I wanted to show you was a couple of other ideas that you can. I got this one for $3 at Michael's, and I got some of these to go in between. And I have a little pack of pearls that I had purchased quite a while back. So I thought I would show you what I learned from a lady called, her page is Jennings 644. And I learned this a long time ago, but I think she still does it. You end up cutting a felt back. You can punch card backs. You can do felt backs. You can put them on a button. You can do all kinds of stuff. Okay, so here we have one. I have some of this really thin silver beads. I also have the same really thin pearls. I honestly think I probably got this at Christmas time, but I'm not even really sure. So here we go. I'm going to do one in this teal color. Now, don't be discouraged, and you might have to try it a couple of times, but don't use a lot of glue. You don't need a lot of glue. Put the first one down. Then we're going to put a little dab on that and put the whole part next to it. Put a little dab on that. Put the whole part next to it. Put a little dab, we'll go on this side over here. Woo, that's a lot. Okay, and then we'll use the teal one. We're going to put a little dab there and a little dab to go on the inside. Okay, now you do see I have glue on here. This peels right off. Also, this one didn't hold, but it's okay because I'm going to use, should I use silver? Yeah, let's use the silver again. So I counted, it really takes about 6 or 7 of these. So 2, 4, 6, we'll do 7 this time. 7, 2, 2, 4, 6, 7, 2, 4, 6, 7, 2, 4, 6, 7, 2, 4, 6, 7. That's plenty. Okay, so here we go. I still have glue strings coming off of there. Okay, so we're going to put a little dab of glue in between. Going to take one of the little silver chain looking things, silver. Okay, I'm going to take the next one. Any tweezers will do. I have some of the different Cricut ones that I use with my Cricut. Ooh. Fix those underneath. Okay, one more. Oh, here's the other one. Okay, so this one is not glued down quite enough. There we go. This one. The bottom won't matter because we're going to put a bottom on it. As soon as it dries, we'll get all of that off. Now, I have some of these. That's what I put on the top of that. You can also do a completely different color pearl, which is kind of cool. You do a little small pearl if you want that insets a little bit. And that's kind of cool too. Let's do that. Oops, I put the hole right on top. Ah! There we go. Okay, so what you can do then is take a piece of felt and wonder what I've done to my scissors to cause them to not cut. I must have cut some metal with them. So you can see this really doesn't need to be that big, so we're gonna see how big that is. Just about 1 inch. And actually it's too big. So okay. Okay. And then this one is, let's cut a real small one again. Doesn't have to be even as large. Yeah. Okay, so there's two. Let's try making one with these. These are so pretty. That's why I put it at the bottom. That's why. Okay, so here we go. I am going to make a center for my flowers, and we're going to use these little pink pearls. So we need 5 of them. Oops. So we do 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 more, 5. Okay, I'm going to pull it clear down to the end of my string here, my thread. And I'm going to, oh, Gotta get it where you can see what I'm doing. There we go. Thread. Okay, I threaded them on the needle. Then I'm going to tie a knot. Tie one more. Tie it twice. Okay. Cut that loose. Okay. So I've got two of those, a white one and the pink one, iridescent ones. I wonder if those would look nice. Yeah. Now this might look awfully nice with that. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so we're going to come down here and we're going to tie it nice and tight. Okay, so now we're going to take, okay, that's pretty. So then we could come back and put us a, we could do a pink pearl on there, which would be awfully pretty, or a little pink pearl, which is really cute as well. That's almost cuter. I think we'll do that for this time. Oops. There we go. That's pretty. Okay, I bought this thing at Michael's. It was on sale for $4.97 clearance. And it's kind of got some cool stuff in there. It was normally $12.99, and I thought these would make pretty flowers. Oh, let's use some of these. Kind of cool. You can use these bling blings on anything, and you can make them any way you want. You don't have to put deals in between every one of them. I'll make some without so you can see. So let's do like a mix. There's 1, 2, there's the whole 3, 4, 5. Let's try 6 and see what that does. More in that clear sort of this one. Let's see what that does. It's kind of cool. It's going to leave a little bit bigger center, right? In fact, it's okay. Oh, that's kind of cute. Just by itself. We could do that.